The Acura Integra is back. Let me give you a quick tour. Power comes from a 4-cylinder turbo making 200 horsepower, similar to other entry-level luxury sedans. But unlike its rivals, the Integra can be had with a 6-speed manual transmission. You have this awesome grille with these gorgeous LED headlights. I like these a lot. Unlike the Honda Civic Si, which this is based on, this is a liftback, so you have more cargo room. Inside, you get a standard digital gauge cluster display, these comfortable synthetic leather seats that are heated as standard. You get a 9-inch touchscreen display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto if you get the A-Spec with the tech package. You also get a wireless charger, adaptive cruise control, and much more. Prices start at just $30,800.